back after a long time. I know it's been a while, but we've been super busy. First off, I got married.
Yeah!
So we had a wedding 2 weeks ago. We were planning for that, so we didn't have time to make any videos. It was super hectic. Also, today was Nova's last day of school.
Yeah, I'm gonna really miss my classmates and my teacher.
Yeah, so she got on the honor roll, and she'll be off to the 4th grade come August.
Yeah.
Nina's last day was today, so she'll be going to the 1st grade in August. And yeah, so we've just been super busy, but today... Oh, go ahead.
And Ellie's just...
Ellie's still learning her ABCs.
She just whatever.
But yeah, today I have a super cute, easy twist hairstyle that I want to do. I'm going to let Nova read her book while I do this, and hopefully you guys like it.
Yeah, I got this book from the library. Yeah.
Let's get started. We are back. Alright, so my phone obviously didn't record what I just did. So I'm going to show you guys again if I can find my comb. Okay, so from the beginning, I parted it down the middle, but I didn't part it directly in the middle. I parted it more so there's more hair on this side than that side, so there's a lot less hair. It's not super far over, but it's just not directly in the middle. And then I parted out this first section, not too big, but not too small. I created 2 boxes on this one. I put in a rubber band, twisted it, added that one to this section, and then twisted this one. So right now I'm going to do that same thing on my next part. I want the parts to be pretty even with each other, so I'm trying to make it the same width as the first one. Okay, so again, I'm just going to part this one in half. Okay, I'm going to try to get a ponytail. It's hard to do hair with nails, fake nails. I got them for my wedding, and because I never usually get fake nails, very, very rarely. And I've come to realize it's very hard doing hair with fake nails.
Yeah, she's been saying that like all the time when she's doing my hair and stuff. She does.
Okay, so for this first section, I always try to get it right in the middle. Okay, use a little more gel and put in my 2-strand twist. For this one, you don't have to go all the way down just because you're going to be connecting it to the one up top. Okay, so then some more gel. Okay, so then you're going to add this twist to this section, and you want to try to get the ponytail kind of close to the top part up here. You don't have to be directly on the line, but a little farther over from the middle. Okay, just like that. Not so over here, but it's not like right in the middle. And then you're just going to put in your 2-strand twist, and you're going to do that same thing all the way down for the rest of this section. Alright, so as you can see, we just parted it all the way in 2 parts and end up with a twist. So for this section now, you're going to, well, it's really up to you. Kind of dry. Let's go ahead and let it down again. So you're going to end up either connecting this piece with one big like section over here, or you can like split it where you connect it with one and then have another one, if you understand what I'm saying. So let me show you. So I'm gonna make another section here. I guess I could have parted this out fully, but I didn't, so. So you can either take this big section right here, combine this one with it, and then just put in another twist. Or you can make two sections, combine this one, and leave the twist, and then twist, just put this in a ponytail and twist it, so not connecting these. I think that's what I'm gonna do, just so it's a little more full on this side. So I'm gonna connect this one to one more box, and then the box under it, I'm going to just let it be its twist all on its own. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm kind of confusing you guys, sorry. It's been a while since I did a video.
It's been too long. It's been too wild.
Okay. So I'm gonna combine this one more time. Okay, and since I already have a twist, I'm going to just take the other part of that combined one and twist it. So you see, I had this one twisted all the way, and then I combined it with this section. So that twist is still there. So I'm just going to take the other piece to that and do a 2-strand twist. Okay, so just like that. And then for this last box I have in this section, we're going to just make our own little part, not connecting any other part to it, and do a 2-strand twist in that one. Seal the end with some gel, twirl it around your finger, and there you go. So that's what the end side will look like. So I'm just going to do that with the rest of these and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, well that is the end. Let's spin her around.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, so as you can see, all I did was take this second box, make a third one, and I have 2 twists in each one, and then I made a 4th box down here with a twist by itself. I didn't connect any to it, just to make this side a little more full. And I did that all the way down, going back. So hopefully you guys kind of understood how I did this. I think it's super cute.
Bum, 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 bum.
And it's really easy, and you don't have to know how to braid or anything like that. You just gotta have your parts right and know how to 2-strand twist, which is super easy.
Bum, bum,
Back
bum,
here,
bum.
the parts are a little wonky because this one wouldn't stop moving while she was reading. So,
Yeah, reading's
but
better.
it still came out super cute.
Bum, 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 bum.
All right, well, that is the hairstyle today. I thought it turned out really cute.
You guys comment down below if you like this hairstyle or what other hairstyles you want us to do. Subscribe. Like this video if you liked watching us and you want more videos. We're totally gonna make more videos. And share this video.
Yeah, do all that. This is a super easy hairstyle. It's super cute. It takes a little while just because of the parting and the rubber bands. You know, that kind of takes a while, especially with fake nails. But I think it's totally worth it. It'll last a while in her hair. And really all we'll probably have to do is retwist her twist on the outside. And that's it. You could probably make this last a week.
Yeah, guys, I really love this hairstyle.
So, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Tell us if your little ones like this hairstyle or not. They better like it.